Alright, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Today I'm doing the rear brake pads on this Macan Macan GTS. But you need a scan tool to release this motor into service position before you do the rear. Luckily this one here doesn't have the, like a Cayenne, it's got the rear shoes, so you have to do the grinding of the shoes to match the new brake pads and the air gap. So this one, all you gotta do is push this in with the use the scan tool to release this, so you can actually press that in, so you can wind the piston in. But see how dirty that is? That's what I was talking about. So it's a lot of dirt and rust here. That's not on the service book to do. When you replace the brake pads on any car, doesn't matter what car it is, they don't say for you to extensively clean this, but I do, because all that brake dust will go on the disc and the pads. So what's the point putting new parts and then cover the new part with dust, brake dust and dirt? So today I'm going to clean all that rust, clean the rust off, put some NDC's grease here, the one I showed you at the front, and then once I finish that, then I'll show you another. I'll press pause and I'll show you when I finish. Okay, that's that one there. This is the slide. So I've got to clean that as well for the rear brake pads and disc. Alright, let's have a look. That's the brake caliper there. You can't really, some of the stuff there, I've got to clean it with the brake fluid cleaner after this, but I just want to show you. See, that's much better than before. And that's the actual slide that I showed before. It's nice and clean. I've checked in there, there's a lot of grease in there as well, so I don't need to put a new one. Probably next time I do brakes I'll put new grease, but there's a lot of grease already inside here. And I've got the new clips here, shims for the brake pads, brand new one. Now I'm going to install it. As you can see, it's nice and clean here as well. I've got the grease in there as well, the NDC's grease, and then the brake caliper is nice and clean. So I'll do a final clean when I finish with the actual brake cleaner, but I can only wipe down whatever I can. The rest I've got to use the brake cleaner to take it off. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.